very interesting recipe which can be used as both filling and frosting. We are going to learn how to make smooth and fluffy Indian buttercream. So let's get into it. In a big bowl, take unsalted butter and churn it with hand blender to make it soft. Then slowly add icing sugar in it. Here, I have used icing sugar which is part of cornstarch in it, which will help to make buttercream smooth and clump free. If you don't have icing sugar and going to use powdered sugar, then you can add 2 teaspoons of cornstarch in it. Churn butter and sugar properly to get smooth texture. Keep repeating the same process until all sugar is added and just 1 tablespoon is left. After buttercream is smooth, add last tablespoon of sugar, milk powder and a pinch of salt. In this recipe of buttercream, I have used milk powder in place of fresh cream because milk powder will increase the shelf life of buttercream and you can store it for a longer period of time. Churn it until well combined. You can see how smooth it already looks. Then we will add vanilla essence, lemon juice and water as per the need to make a smooth and fluffy buttercream. This is used to adjust the consistency. You can use any other essence as well to make different flavor buttercream. Lemon juice will break the sweetness and give tangy touch to buttercream. Salt and lemon juice both are optional. It is just used to balance the sweetness of buttercream. Once ready, you can let it set for few minutes in refrigerator or put it in an airtight container and store it for 3 to 4 weeks in your refrigerator. You can also give different colors to your buttercream by using gel colors or powder colors. Do try this buttercream recipe to decorate your cupcakes and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more such delicious recipes.